How to turn off notifications in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to turn off the notifications on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google application on your mobile phone, just like this. After opening it, simply tap onto the search bar and type khanacademy.org. Just like this, then open it. Then tap on to login and simply log in using your ID or account of Khan Academy, just like this. After that, tap on to three lines right here. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find your profile name. Tap on it. Then here you can find settings. Select it. Now tap on to email right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find notifications. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button, just like this. And now you can see your notifications have been turned off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off notifications in Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.